Installing Miletus on macOS is easy. TMS provides a guided installation package. Simply navigate to miletus.org, click Download Now, select macOS. TMS provides a zip archive that includes the installer package, so simply click on the zip archive and open the Downloads folder on your computer. As you clicked on the zip archive, the package will already have been extracted. Double-click on the package, and the installer will open. Well, that's at least what we would think. However, Apple's security mechanism kicks in. So we confirm with OK. We open System Preferences and select Security and Privacy. There we have to go to the General tab and unlock to make changes. For this, we click on the lock, and I simply confirm on my Apple Watch, or you enter the password. Now we have the option to click Open Anyway. At this point, macOS gives us the option to start the Miletus Packager package again. We click Open, and the guided installation starts. From here on, it's easy. Click Continue, Install. Again, we're asked for our user password with admin privileges. We click Install Software. And everything is being installed automatically and also added to the path. We click Close. The installer might ask to get write privileges to the Downloads folder. You can confirm this with OK. And you can move the installer package to the trash. We don't need it anymore. Close all the windows we opened, and we can test the installation using Terminal. We open a terminal window and type Miletus Packager-V, and it replies with a version that is installed. Installation was successful.